Welcome to Almost Outdoors. Hey, it's been a while. How you been? I've been pretty good. So today I'm having a little bit of an issue with my Christmas lights. I've noticed when I came out the other day that they weren't working. It wasn't that there was a bulb blown out, but the whole set wasn't working. I was like, holy crap, I got to go buy another set of Christmas lights, and there's like 4 days to Christmas. So got to thinking, it's got to be the fuse. Something doesn't work right, because I plugged up the lights from an extension cord inside the house and it still didn't work. So it's definitely the strain of lights. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to replace the fuses on your Christmas lights. So what you want to do is you want to get that end right there, and as you can probably see, it has a little trap door thing on there and actually has the fuses inside of there. So I'm going to show you how to open that, and then we're going to go outside and going to replace those. So what you want to do is you want to get this end of it. You're going to get just a really small screwdriver, and there's a little groove right here underneath the word open. It has the arrow on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to pry that down there a little bit, and that little trap door opens like so. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera and do this all together. Alright, so after that door is open, there's a couple more grooves in there. You're just going to slide that out like that, and it comes out. And all you're going to do is you're just going to kind of pry them up. Of course, I'm going to need a smaller screwdriver, but you just pry them up like that and they'll come out. You can kind of wiggle it out with your screwdriver and pull it out with your hands. So that's what I'm going to show you outside today. And of course, once you're done, you just slide that thing back up and it goes in. Let's go outside and we're going to get this started. So I'm not sure if you can actually see that my hands are about froze out here, hence why I'm covered up pretty good. See that little bit of corrosion on there? I'm not sure if it's focusing on my finger, but that's corrosion. That's the little fuse, and by the looks of it, the fuse looks blown. So all I did was I dug it out of there with this little tiny screwdriver that I have, and then I'm gonna try to clean that out a little bit in there. I have two other fuses I'll show you here in a minute. I'm just gonna replace those. So really all you need is a real small screwdriver. I wouldn't recommend using a knife on this, pushing this trap door down. You may end up stabbing yourself. Probably not the safest thing, but just get your little screwdriver, take your time. It opens up pretty easy. So you're going to replace those fuses and try to clean that out as much as possible. And we'll see if it works. Alright, so here's our new ones down here. Our old ones actually lost a little piece off that one, a little cap. But you can see the difference as soon as this little bugger sits still. New one's on the left, old one's on the right. So you're going to get those fuses and we're going to replace those. Alright, after a little talking to this thing, it is a tight little spot to put them in, but the new ones are in. Not sure if it's focusing on that, but can't really see because it's bright out here. So I got the new one. We're going to close up that little door, plug her in, and see what happens. That's all you do, you just shove the door back on there. You give her a plug and see if it works. Hope for the best. I'd venture to say that did it. Check them out. Lights are working. We're on the money on this one. I keep getting attacked by lights, but the lights are working, as you can see. May want to do some maybe taping around that. That's what I'm going to do right now. Obviously, you know how to tape some lights up, so that'll save you from getting water in those lights. And if you have a problem with your lights, don't throw them out. Just change the fuses. It takes a couple minutes. Saves you a lot of money. Thanks for watching this episode of Almost Outdoors. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and if you like these how-to videos, comment below. Let me know what else I should do, and any other questions you're having about anything at all, and I will solve it and tell you how to do it. Thanks for watching this episode of Almost Outdoors. See ya.